Introduction and Quote Creation. Hi everyone, my name is David Miller, and I'm a sales representative. Today, I demonstrate how I use Selegic CPQ on Salesforce to create and configure a customer quote for an enterprise laptop procurement opportunity. Let's begin by creating a new quote. I'm creating a quote named Quantum Leaf Laptop Quote. The quote is associated with the Quantum Leaf account and the Quantum Leaf laptop purchase opportunity, which have already been created. I simply select them from the available drop-down lists. I'm using the standard price list, the quote type is new, the currency is US dollars, and the quote status is draft. Once I enter all the required information, I save the quote. The quote is now created successfully, and I'm ready to start configuring products using Selegic CPQ.